So I just mentioned, listen bache, I mentioned Bose, right? Now I will tell you a great scientist called Satyendra Nath Bose. Satyendra Nath Bose. And he worked with Albert Einstein. And there are, I'll just take 3 great scientists in the last couple hundred years, and three who lived in America. Okay? The second one here is S for Subramaniam, Chandrasekhar.
Nobel Prize.
And here I will add another name. These are very, very top scientists, okay?
These are the best of the best. Right?
Max Planck.
Who's Max Planck?
Max Planck. I don't know if you see there or not. Max Planck. And a third great scientist in India.
He's in 3rd grade?
Pay attention.
I think his name was C.V. Raman.
C.V. Raman. What's up, C.V.? Savandar is
Raman.
vegan. Raman.
And guess what? I think
Go.
Chandrasekhar went to Allahabad University.
Ah, your alma mater.
I'm on the dot. And another great scientist is Werner Heisenberg.
I think you just gave us 6.
Heisenberg.
Isengard.
And they all lived around same time, about 100 years ago. Okay? And listen. And they all made top discoveries in new science they developed. They worked together, and they all had the world's top award called Nobel Prize.
Nobel Prize? That's from Looney Tunes.
All of them had Nobel Prize.
I think I could put a shelf.
Okay? Now I won't tell you exactly what they did, but the boson is named after Mr. Bose. And Bose-Einstein condensate is named after Mr. Bose and Albert Einstein. And there is an observatory in space called Chandra, is named after Chandrasekhar. Have you heard the Chandra telescope?
Yeah.
And I've
Is
heard of
in honor of Chandrasekhar.
Have you heard of the Hubble?
the Hubble.
Edwin Hubble is another, and many others. Okay, but I will tell you what they have in common. Ricky, pay attention now. What they have in common, and not only they, but most of the greatest people have one thing in common. They all were great scientists, mathematicians, physicists, right? But they all, you will be surprised. They were scientists. They were doing their own math and research and writing E equal mc square and all the other formula for nature. Discovered what are the laws of nature, how everything happens. But they had one thing in common, and that was, any guess?
Telescope?
No.
They didn't accept.
All those we'll discuss. one thing in common, they all were musicians also.
Albert Einstein was a musician.
They all had a strong passion or hobby in music. Einstein played violin.
Sit properly.
No.
Stop it.
He
No.
played violin.
Come over here.
Max
wrote
Planck
the
and
dot on top of
Heisenberg.
the N.
Listen,
Where do you go?
I think the piano. Piano. And sometimes they will play together. So one of them said, like doing science with these guys were like an orchestra. And Satyendra Bose was, I think, an artist also.
Look good.
He was an artist also,
Wow.
painter. C.V. Raman was a rhythm expert.
What's rhythm? Oh, yeah.
Tabla, Mridangam, Pakhavaj, and he made some modifications in that. Okay? And he also played Veena. Veena is like sitar. Veena and rhythm. I think he played another something like Esraj or something. Yeah. So they all had strong interest in music. Now, why music is
Are you
important?
done yet?
Why music is important? Because music is vibration.
Rhythm.
Music is vibration. Sound. You remember last time I told you about shrutis and swara and rhythm? Music is science. Science is musical. Okay? So, I suggest all children must learn some kind of music. It can be a string instrument, it can be a key instrument, it can be a wind instrument, flute, clarinet, many other instruments. It can be the rhythm, tabla, dholak, drums, whatever.
Singing? Can it be
Singing,
brass?
yeah,
Can it
because
be brass?
in singing, especially because singing, you feel that vibration in you, in your throat, and in your brain. You see?
Yeah.
So singing, playing instrument,
What about
playing,
trumpet?
and some of them were composers also.
Can
They
I be a
wrote
composer?
music.
Can I be a composer?
Okay. So I will show you later on, maybe not today, a beautiful video I have is called Science and Sound. Okay. So they keep in mind that to be intelligent, to know much more than you know, is very important. No matter what you are learning in school and college or you get degree or whatever you do, but keep music with you, it will always help. Okay?
Okay, cool.